How to use Shein gift card online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can use Shein gift card. For this, open the Shein app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Now make sure to sign into your account. After that, you want to explore this website and find the items that you want to purchase. Make sure to add them to your bag. Then tap on this bag icon over here. You want to select the items you want to purchase, then tap on the checkout option. Now, once you get on this page, you have to enter your shipping method, your shipping address, then select your payment method. So if you want to select credit/debit, go ahead and select that. Now, if you have a voucher, you can apply it by tapping on this option. Now, if you have a Shein gift card and you want to use that, here you have the option of gift card. Tap on this. Now, go ahead and enter the card number over here on the first box. After that is done, on the second box, enter your PIN. Make sure that you enter these details carefully. Now tap on the apply option. If both the details you've entered are correct, then the purchase amount will be deducted from the gift card balance. Now, you can simply tap on the place order option and complete the rest of the process. And in this way, you can use Shein gift card online. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.